Reminiscing about Club Penguin Island and found club data files from the discontinued game? These are data files from Disney's Club Penguin Island mobile game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Club Penguin Island data files contain. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted CLUB files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. Users encounter CLUB files within the game data directories of Club Penguin Island. They are typically searching for ways to view or modify game assets, such as character models, textures, or level data. This interest often stems from the game modding community or general curiosity about the game's internal workings. The CLUB file is a proprietary binary container, likely utilizing a structure similar to Unity's asset bundles. This design packages multiple game assets, models, textures, sounds, into a single compressed file for efficient loading by the game engine and to protect intellectual property from easy extraction or modification. The CLUB proprietary design mandates association with Club Penguin Island from Disney Rocket Snail games. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows offers no meaningful representation, so interpreting these files relies on game development tools. Let's proceed with the compatibility verification. Right-click the CLUB file and select Open with. Test Club Penguin Island, if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the CLUB format's nuances differently. If the CLUB file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this CLUB error before we apply the universal fix. First, acknowledging discontinuation. Club Penguin Island was permanently shut down in December 2018 by Disney making club files unusable for their original purpose. The game's online services that authenticated and processed club file content are no longer operational. Any attempt to use these files in their original context will fail due to absent backend services. Next, examining as curiosity. For nostalgic exploration, use a hex editor to inspect club files revealing readable text strings, asset names, and metadata. Unity Asset Studio may extract some data if the format is recognizable. This approach offers historical insight rather than functional use, providing glimpses into the now-defunct game's internal structure for archival interest. Finally, exploring game preservation projects. Some Club Penguin preservation projects exist on GitHub and dedicated community sites attempting to recreate aspects of Disney's discontinued games. These fan projects may have tools or information useful for understanding club files. Search for Club Penguin Island archive projects or reverse engineering communities for relevant resources and documentation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.